Hello, my name is Brandon Essery. This is Lab 5, Part 1. In Lab 5, the goal was to drive this 4-phase unipolar motor, stepper motor using this ULN 2003 chip that you see over here on the green driver board. That's going to take input from the Arduino and drive it onto the stepper motor on each of those coils to get that shaft to rotate as we want it to. We're using the additional supply board there so that we don't fry the Arduino. Let's go ahead and upload the program. It's gonna ask me for some settings here in a second. All right, it says welcome to your control settings. How many steps per revolution? This motor does pretty well with 2048, so we'll go ahead and do that. RPM, we'll set it to 19, does pretty well on that. Let's go counterclockwise first. It's also going to ask me how many steps I want to take in that direction. Let's just go ahead and do a full rotation. And then it asks me if I want to change any of those settings. I'm going to say no. And there you go. It's going to do a full rotation. And then after that full rotation, it's going to ask me if I want to change any of those settings. Let's go ahead and say yes. Let's go and say 248 again, 2048. This time let's do 15. And let's go clockwise this time. And let's go ahead and do 5,000 steps. Do a little more than 2 full rotations. Alright. Again, it's gonna ask me if I want to change any of those settings. I'll say yes again. And show that we can do less than a full revolution real quick. You can put more steps per revolution. I've noticed that around 5,000 it starts to glitch a bit, not do any rotations, just vibrate there on the table, so it's just best to keep it at that 2048. Let's go counter again. This time, let's just do 500 steps. All right, did less steps. All right, so that's Lab 5 Part 1.